Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to record a Google Slides presentation with audio. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to your Google Slide. And now guys, second one is just simply go to this website obsproject.com and just simply select Windows if you are using Windows, Mac OS if you are using Mac OS or Linux. And after that, just simply go ahead and download the file into your computer. And once it is downloaded, just simply install it into your computer and just simply open it up. So guys, personally, I use this as you can see over here. Now to set it up, you could just simply go to the file, you can go through the settings, and after that, you could just simply go for the output over here, and you will have the recording. And from here, guys, just simply provide all of the necessary information about your recording, and most importantly is the audio over here on the left side. So here on the audio, make sure you selected your mic if you have one, or just simply select the default. And from here, guys, you should be able to have something like this. As you can see, I have desktop audio and mic. So from here, guys, and make sure it is turned on. And from here, you should just simply start recording, and you can just simply go to your slide, and you can go for the slideshow on the top right over here and click on the arrow over here beside it and start the presenter view, and you should be able to have the full screen. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.